Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we are going to show you how to put a song on repeat on Spotify in a simple way. Whether you are using the free version or premium, we'll walk you through everything you need to know. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, take your phone and open the Spotify app. Make sure you are using the latest version so that all the features are available and working smoothly. Step 2. Within the menu, look for the Your Library option and tap on it. This section contains all your playlists, albums, and songs, so it's the place where you manage your saved music. Step 3. From the menu, find the plus icon at the top and click on it. Here, choose the playlist option, type in your desired name for the playlist, and then confirm it to create your own playlist. Step 4. After that, tap on the Add to this playlist option. Then go to the search menu. Type the name of the song you want, and tap the plus icon to add it to the playlist. You can repeat the same process to add more songs as well. Step 5. Once your playlist is ready, go back to the playlist section and open the song you want to repeat. Please note, in the free version of Spotify, there is no direct way to put a song on repeat. You will need to manually play the song again if you want it to repeat. Step 6. Alternatively, if you are a premium user, you can find the loop icon at the bottom of the screen while the song is playing. Tap it once to repeat the playlist, and tap it twice to repeat a single song. This premium feature makes it easy to put a song on repeat on Spotify. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful guides.